Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kamusta kayo? In today's video, I will be teaching you when to use sa and noong on days and dates in Tagalog. So it is quite simple actually. We use sa if the day or date we are talking about is in the future. And then we use noong if the day or date has passed already. Or, well, if it's in the past. I'll give you some examples. Pupunta ako dyan sa Sabado. I will go there on Saturday. So, since we said sa Sabado, that means I'm referring to the upcoming Saturday. Isa pang halimbawa, bibisita sila sa Lunes. They will visit on Monday. Magkikita kami sa Huwebes. We will see each other on Thursday. So in these examples, we use days of the week, right? But we can also use sa on actual dates. Halimbawa, gaganapin ang selebrasyon sa ika-27 ng Abril. The celebration will take place on April 27. Lilipat kami ng bahay sa ika-1 ng Oktubre. We will move on October 1st. Now, this is how you say dates in pure and proper Tagalog. You say ika, and then the number in Tagalog, nang, and then the month. However, we honestly don't say them like these in our everyday conversation because it sounds very formal and it's something you'll hear on news or read on books, but not here on daily conversation. So how do we say it then? Well, just say the dates in English. Gaganapin ang selebrasyon sa April 27. Lilipat kami ng bahay sa October 1. Okay, next. You should also use sa if you want to say next week, next month, and next year. Halimbawa, titira ako dyan sa susunod na taon. I will live there next year. So we added susunod, which means next. Ikakasal sila sa susunod na buwan. They will get married next month. Tatawag siya sa susunod na linggo. He or she will call next week. By the way, the word linggo means week, right? But it's also the word for Sunday in Tagalog. Now, how about noong? Nagkita kami noong nakaraang Martes. We saw each other last Tuesday. So the Tuesday that we are talking about is in the past. Therefore, we are using noong. And sometimes we say no, which is the shorter form of noong. Nagkita kami nung nakaraang Martes. Isa pang halimbawa, nag-resign na ako sa trabaho noong nakaraang Biyernes. I already resigned from work last Friday. Binisita ko si Lola noong nakaraang Miyerkules. I visited Grandma last Wednesday. And like sa, you can also use noong or nung on dates. Halimbawa, sumabog ang bulkang Pinatubo noong ika-15 ng Hunyo taong 1971. And of course, like I said earlier, it is better if you just simply say the date in English. Sumabog ang bulkang Pinatubo noong June 15, 1991. Ipinanganak siya noong ika-9 ng Agosto, taong 1976. Or, ipinanganak siya noong August 9, 1996. And lastly, you should also use noong or nung when you want to say last week, last month, and last year. Halimbawa, nakausap niya si Benji noong nakaraang linggo. He or she talked to Benji last week. Nagkakilala kami noong nakaraang taon. We met each other last year. Pumunta ako sa Bohol noong nakaraang buwan. I went to Bohol last month. Well, there you go. That's it for this video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps the channel. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.